This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start Cadillac SRX with key fob full guide. Press unlock once, sit in the driver's seat, and ensure the shifter is in park. With your foot on the brake, press and hold the engine start button until the dash lights activate. If the fob battery is low, use the key slot or place the fob near the start button to complete the procedure safely and smoothly. If your Cadillac SRX does not start, remain calm and follow a simple checklist to diagnose the issue. First, try replacing the key fob battery and attempt starting again. If that fails, use the physical key or position the fob near the start button as a backup. Also verify the brake pedal switch and battery connections, since weak batteries or loose terminals often cause no start conditions and are quick to fix. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting on roadside repairs much nicer with a glare-free screen and long battery life, perfect for reading while you troubleshoot or wait for help. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Safety matters when working with keyless start systems, so take a few precautions before troubleshooting. Engage the parking brake and ensure the vehicle is on flat ground to prevent accidental rollaway. Avoid running the engine in enclosed spaces without ventilation and never bypass safety interlocks. Carry a spare fob battery and a charged phone so you can call for help if needed, and always consult a professional for electrical or ignition repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.